DJM TV.
People dey after my life, they wan kill me. My wife Regina Daniel I tell me say it's Nwoko. My people, now welcome to the news wey we get for una for now. The news wey we carry come na about our country brother Nwoko. Im don come as I come tell news people say plans to kill am dey on ground, and na one big man for a town, Gabriel Ogbeshe, na im dey sponsor the plan to kill am. Im don tell security operatives say make dem hold Gabriel Ogbeshe in case anything happen to am, sake of say some people wey dem put for prison dem come leak the matter give im wife say Gabriel Ogbeshe dey plan to assassinate am. Before we go continue, make we give una small history about dis land matter. Nwoko, wey be 59-year-old man, come from one village called Udumuji for Anyosha North local government area of Delta State. Dem born am into the Nwoko royal family for Udumuji in the Anyosha North local government area of Delta State, and he do his school for Nigeria here. When he finish his teacher training college training for Ikiadolo, people come gather money together to send am go abroad make he go study law for University of Kel, and for then he come acquire a degree for commercial law, and then they call am to bar for England. When he come back from England, because he don't get money, he come approach the community leaders and say abeg he need 33 acres of land when he want to do dairy farm and poultry farm. The community come gather together, they come give am this 33 acres of land make he use to set up the commercial poultry, fish farm and dairy farm when he say he wan set up. But wahala come burst out when he be say instead of the things when he talk say he wan do, he can use the land to build big house and tourist attraction center.
By the way, the person being spoken about is Honorable Nwoko. And you are here to complain about him?
Yes. Did you try settling amongst? It's a family matter.
Oh, absolutely. Because, thank you for saying that. Family is everything. In 1983, when he finished his training teachers education in Ikiadolo College, he was still young and vibrant and all that. He needed further education. He came to my house at number 32 Awoyoko Street to come and seek for help. Because I was not ready to go abroad, my elder brother said, okay, what is the problem? He said he wants to go to University of Kel to go and study law. What came out of the mouth of my elder brother is that, oh, that would be nice. We had only one prominent lawyer at the time. He saw potentials in NED, so he sent him abroad in 1983. He went to London and came back and became a billionaire and asked for land. They gave him land, 33 hectares of land. And the premise was that he was going to build a dairy farm. He was going to do a fishing farm, chicken, piggery, and all this.
For the benefit of the community.
So they gave him massive I mean, he has not been able to use up that 33 hectares. He didn't build the dairy farm. He didn't build the fish farm. Nothing. He just erected this massive, house there where people come to visit him.
If people call the verse now, say after he no fit use that land where he come again, call me, they say abeg make they give am 90 hectares of land for the same community.
5 years ago, he turned around to come and ask for another 92 hectares or 95 hectares from an agricultural farmers. And we said, look, our population is increasing. The land mass is not increasing. Only we will give you 33 hectares. You have not given an account of what you've been given. You turn around to come and ask for another 35 and all that. Anyway, we have a land sharing committee. You go and meet them, submit your proposal. He submitted and the committee said no.
When he go back to this committee for the land, the committee, the court will say no, they're not going to give am this land. Say because the first one when they give am, they not see any better thing when he use and do. But they say instead of her to take the decision in good faith, he can go about they try to take people land by force. e dey pursue people comot for their farmland, dey use bulldozer dey clear people farm, and anybody wey try to stop am, im go use police take arrest the person. Some of the people wey dem don arrest unto dis matter, dem dey for Kuje prison and some of dem dey for Agbo prison. Na the ones dem wey dey for Kuje prison, na im dem come say one prisoner for the Kuje prison come overhear the two of dem dey discuss say one big oil magnate from Nwoko village dey plan to assassinate Nwoko. According to the story wey dey for the ground, dem say the prisoner wey hear the matter, he come say he no go fit take this kind thing o. He no know Nwoko personally, but he know say Regina Daniel na brand ambassador for product wey one of a church member get. So he come quickly send text message to the church member on wetin he hear. Na this church member na call tell Regina Daniel say, oh, sister look o, dem dey plan to kill your husband, and na so Regina Daniel come take tell her husband. All this na wetin Nwoko write for his statement when he give police people. But Gabriel Ogbeshe don come outside come dismiss the report wey talk say na him dey plan to kill Nwoko. He say of course Nwoko report give police people, but him dey invite am make he come talk him own side of the story, and he don go there, he don go talk on him own side of the story, and e no reach 1 hour he comot for police station. For statement wey e be say Gabriel Ogbeshe write, he say wetin dey surprise am now be say person wey tell Nwoko say na him wan kill her, the person mention him name. He say Nwoko just dey assume say na him na be the person wey dey say dey plan to kill her, based on say the prisoner say one oil magnate from a village wan kill her. But he say e get one question wey he wan ask Regina Daniel and her husband. Number one, how the prisoner take get Regina Daniel phone number? Number two, since when prisoners begin get phone to take dey send text message, and since when prisoner begin make phone call from inside prison yard? All this one na wetin Gabriel Ogbeshe say im dey ask Nwoko and Regina Daniel, and since na the night dey in the best position to explain their relationship between the Regina Daniel and the prisoner for Kuje prison. He say besides, the random prisoner when he see na obviously acquaintance of the Nwoko family, because he no just believe say anybody go fit just get their phone number like that. And so he say make dem no dey assume say when they say oil magnet, im mean say na him be the person wey wan kill Nwoko. But my people, not be say we dey support anybody in particular o, but the way this whole matter be now, how una see am? How the prisoner take get phone number? Even if he get the phone number of a church member as the prisoner claim, how he take make phone call? How he take send WhatsApp message? He will even give her phone inside prison if not be say that person get high connection. And then secondly, the one wey dey bother me for this matter be say, how you go just wake up one morning say make dem give you 90-something hectares of land wey be almost 250 football stadium field, make you take do wetin? The rest people for the land, for the village nko, where you want make dem go? And then to dey forcefully dey collect people land, not be say na better thing, e no good at all. For this matter, we go say bros Nwoko, e get as e be. Na here we take come to the end of the news wey we carry come give una today. Una no forget to like and to share this video. God bless una.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.